Hey guys, how you doing? Hope everyone's having a great day. Today we're not going to be talking about J&E Tech Drones LLC. Today we're going to be talking about DroneHQ. I'm not going to do a lot about it. I do want to make a short video about it. Some people have asked me about it. I have created another YouTube channel. Of course, it has a website that's not out yet, and Facebook, Instagram for DroneHQ. So definitely check out the other YouTube, subscribe to that channel. That's where a lot of the videos will go of the changes that are going to be made. So let me give you a little background why I wanted to create this. I have my Part 107, have a drone business. It's doing pretty well. I can't complain. Could it be doing better? It always can be doing better, right? So we get a drone job, we use an app to check the weather. All right, great. And then with the FIFA World Cup, we use somewhere else to look at TFRs. And then we look at NOTAMs. And then we look at another app for some other stuff. So we look at all these different apps to find that information. If you're like me, you probably have a little box on your iPhone or your Android phone that has multiple apps in there. And you use all those for your drone jobs. Imagine having one software that actually does all that. So what does DroneHQ do? It actually solves the problem. That's how I see it. Besides also handling all your inventory, your controllers, your drones, your batteries, all your serial numbers. If you haven't done it already, definitely label your batteries. That will come in handy also. Say you've been flying for a while. You're like, you know what? Which battery has the lowest recycle on there? Oh, it's this battery. You know what? I'm gonna make sure I use that more so it catches up with the other ones. I mean, that's something you want. Having a built-in AI assistant inside the actual software so you can find out stuff. Ask it, hey, so how many flights has the Air 3 had? You know, you could ask it that, but the DroneHQ will tell you that. It'll tell you how many flights that drone has. It'll tell you the different batteries, the different cycles. I don't want to tell too much of it, but I mean, just some high level stuff like anything else. You know, login screen, reset password, which is a normal thing. It'll be a web-based program. Pricing, I have an idea, but I'm still debating on that. I don't like tier software where companies get you. Oh, you get this, you get all this. And then when you try that feature, oh, that's another charge. You know, I hate that. I do. It will be a monthly subscription charge, or you can pay annually for a cheaper rate. Most companies do that. There will be a trial version. I will look for beta testers. So, hey, if you'll be willing to test it, definitely leave me a comment below. I definitely, I'll save your name, put it on. I'm creating a list. I'm really only looking at probably about 20 to 50 beta testers. But yes, it's a lot of features in it. I've already created a lot. I haven't done any screen sharing. I'm not going to do any of that until it's closer to being totally finished. So when what I want people to do is when they're having a conversation, they say, hey, there's this software, and you have DroneHQ. Why would I choose DroneHQ over these two here? And the simple answer is, I think DroneHQ will solve the problems you're having. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Like I said, I'm a small business. There definitely will be, a page where you can go and put enhancement requests. You know what? And, I can definitely, look at those and go that route. I'm thinking about making a chat where people that have the software can talk to other pilots without being on social media and share things. It's something I'm kind of toying with. We'll see. We fly all these missions and everything is on that RC2 controller, right? Or it's on the enterprise controller. Great. But what do I do with it? How do I get off that controller so where I can look at it? Okay, once I move it off there, what software do I use to have to look at the data? Well, DroneHQ will solve that problem. It will definitely solve that problem. You'll be able to see your flights, you'll be able to see everything, telemetry, you'll be able to see everything. And I think that will help a lot of pilots because you can be like, let me go look at that mission and see what I did there. You know, let me actually fly that mission virtually, see what I did there. That'd be cool, right? Well, like I said, there's a lot coming with DroneHQ. I'm gonna do short videos probably. Maybe starting to show different screens eventually. It'll be a little bit, but I do think that it's gonna be a great program. Again, my slogan, built by a pilot for pilots. I definitely wanna work with the pilots, you know, and be involved with them that purchase DroneHQ. I do think, I mean, I'm going to use it. I know. I haven't started using it yet because it's not finished. And just because that actually comes out, DroneHQ, I mean, and it's not done. I'm real big about always updating or changing stuff. So, like I said, this is a short video, guys. I know I kind of talked around a lot of things, but I just want to get the word out. DroneHQ, I think is going to be amazing. So I created another social media account, DroneHQ on YouTube. I'll have the link down below. Definitely leave me your comments, what you think about it. Again, you don't know much about it, but let me know if you'd be interested. And also let me know if you'd be interested in a beta test. I really would want to make a list. It's only going to be about 20 to 50 pilots probably. I just want to get a data set, probably a couple months, and go that route. Another thing I forgot to mention, since I own only all DJI products, right now with the first version that actually comes out, we'll work with DJI as far as syncing all the telemetry and data. The other drones, the other companies, you can, if you get the data off there, you can upload it. So you still can see everything. So you're not locked in, oh, I can't use it because I don't have DJI. It will, right now I got to work with Windows. I have a MacBook also, so I plan on making it work with Mac also. I haven't got to that point yet, been strictly working in Windows. I may reach out to other manufacturers to see if they will let me borrow a controller from another company, like Autel or something like that, with data on it, and I can get that to work. But my main concern right now is DJI. The other pilots with different products other than DJI, you can still use it. You just get the data off there and upload it. And there's an upload process for that. So I know it's a short video, guys. Definitely leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you think about it. Definitely subscribe to DroneHQ. I'll have the link down below, and I'll have the YouTube and the other social medias down below. So again, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend. We'll talk to you later. Bye, guys.